In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make bolts and nuts in Tinkercad. So first things first, we are going to implement this basic shape called polygon. Now to make our lives easier, I'm going to use a ruler tool right here. And then I'm going to reduce the size basically for our nut. Now 4 millimeters seems alright for my nut. And from there, you then want to once again implement a shape called the isometric thread. You can simply search thread right here and this will show up. In here, I'm going to make my thread bigger, so I'll increase the rotations right here. Right after adjusting the length of your thread, you can then align them together depending on your style. But in my case, I'm just going to simply reduce the diameter into something like 11. Oh, let me go ahead and change that a bit. Let's simply change it, 11. And from there, once again, I'm going to align this at the middle. Of course, you can adjust this even better, but in my case, since this is a short tutorial, I'm going to be fine with this one. You also want to make sure that they're aligned together. So it's going to be negative. You can just set it at 0, so it will be flat. And from there, you then want to group them together. Once again, you can just customize this to whatever you want to, but now we can group this together. After grouping them together, you want to copy and paste them once again. And now we have two shapes, or we have bolts right here, 2 bolts. You then want to simply ungroup this shape. And then in my situation, I find increasing 1 millimeter of diameter the best, so make sure that your thread works perfectly with your nut. So in my case, since I'm using 11 diameter, I'll switch it into something like 12 to make sure that they fit perfectly. And then you want to make sure to go ahead and place them, or place your thread down. Now it doesn't have to be flat on your work plane right here, but we are going to transfer this tool into a hole. From there, it's as simple as combining them together or merging them together, and basically that will create a hole in the middle. So by increasing the thread 1 millimeter, we will be able to make sure that it fits perfectly with our nut right here. And follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.